Your dog may forgive many things, but there are 7 things they never truly forget, and one of them might be breaking your dog's heart every single day. Dogs are known for unconditional love. They wait for you at the door. They forgive your late arrivals. They stay loyal even when life gets messy. But here's a truth most dog owners don't know. Dogs may forgive, but they never forget certain emotional wounds. These are dramatic abuses. These are everyday human habits, things loving owners do without realizing the emotional damage. And once a dog emotionally registers these as unsafe or painful, it changes how deeply they trust you forever. So today, we're starting from number 7, because this one hurts more dogs than any other. Number 7, leaving without saying goodbye. You might think this sounds silly. After all, your dog doesn't understand words like, "I'll be back." But your dog absolutely understands patterns. When you suddenly disappear without warning, your dog's brain doesn't think, "Oh, my human went to work." It thinks, "My human vanished. I don't know if they're coming back." That tiny moment of panic, that confusion, gets stored emotionally. Over time, dogs that experience repeated silent departures become more anxious, more clingy, more fearful of abandonment. Some dogs even develop separation anxiety purely because their humans disappear without emotional closure. Just 5 seconds makes a difference. A calm goodbye, a gentle touch, the same phrase every time. That ritual tells your dog, "I always come back." When you don't do this, your dog never fully forgives the uncertainty. Number 6, breaking promises you repeatedly make. Dogs are incredible at learning routines. They learn walk time, food time, playtime, sleep time. When you repeatedly hype them up, "Let's go for a walk, park time, ball time," and then you don't follow through, your dog feels emotional disappointment, not in words, in hormones. Dopamine rises when you excite them, then crashes when nothing happens. Over time, your dog stops trusting your cues. They stop believing your excitement. And worst of all, they stop offering joyful anticipation. That emotional shutdown, that's your dog quietly giving up hope. Dogs don't forgive broken promises. They just stop expecting happiness. Number 5, yelling when they're already scared. Imagine this. Your dog knocks something over. Thunder cracks outside. A stranger suddenly enters the room. Your dog freezes. They're already terrified, and then you yell. To your dog's nervous system, you just confirmed that the world is unsafe and that you are unsafe too. Dogs don't understand why you're yelling. They only feel threat, fear, rejection. Even one moment of yelling during fear can permanently change how safe your dog feels around you. They may still obey you, they may still sit near you, but emotionally, they never fully forgive being punished for being afraid. Number 4, ignoring them when they're asking for comfort. This one hurts deeply. Dogs seek comfort when they're sick, when they're scared, when they're confused, when they're overwhelmed. They come sit close. They nudge your hand. They lean their body into yours. That's not attention-seeking. That's emotional survival behavior. When you push them away, "Not now, go lie down, I'm busy," your dog learns something heartbreaking. My feelings don't matter. After enough emotional rejections, dogs stop seeking comfort. They still suffer. They just suffer alone. And that emotional abandonment is something dogs never truly forgive. Number 3, using physical force to teach them. This includes hitting, yanking the leash, forcing their body into position, holding their mouth shut, or alpha rolling. Dogs don't interpret force as leadership. They interpret it as danger. The moment you use physical power, your dog's trust collapses. Even if they still obey you afterward, it's fear obedience, not love. And dogs never emotionally recover from realizing, "My human can hurt me." They may still love you, but the innocence is gone forever. Number 2, giving them away or abandoning them temporarily. This one destroys dogs emotionally. even if you leave them with a friend, a relative, a boarding center, or a shelter just for a while. Your dog doesn't understand time. They only understand my family disappeared. Even dogs who reunite later often show clinginess, anxiety, depression, and trust issues. To a dog, abandonment is permanent in their mind. Even if you come back, they never truly forgive the moment they thought they lost you forever. Number 1. Betraying your trust on purpose. This is the deepest one. This includes pretending everything is fine, then punishing, calling them happily, then scolding, luring them, then doing something painful, breaking their emotional safety deliberately. When a dog realizes, my human tricked me, their brain rewires permanently. Trust is survival for dogs. Once broken, it never fully returns. They may still love you, they may still stay loyal, but the deep, pure, innocent trust? Gone forever. Your dog doesn't need perfection. They don't need luxury. They don't need expensive toys. They only need emotional safety, predictability, gentle leadership, and consistent love. Dogs forgive accidents. They forgive mistakes, but they never forgive emotional betrayal. So tonight, when your dog curls up beside you, remember something sacred. To them, you are their entire world, and the way you treat them becomes the story they tell themselves about love. If this video made you see your dog differently, subscribe for more emotionally intelligent dog